Namaste. I, Chetna, literary captain of the school, welcome you all in the morning assembly of St. Vivekanand Millennium School, HMT Township, Pinjore. Today is 16th October 2021. First of all, I would like to invite our Sanskrit teacher, Acharya Sunil Dutt Gautam, to share today's Panchang with us. Namaste, sir.
नमस्ते चेतना। आज के पंचांग के अनुसार विक्रमी संवत 2078, शक संवत 1943, आज आश्विन माह के शुक्ल पक्ष की एकादशी तिथि है। आज का नक्षत्र घनिष्ठा, आज का योग गंड है। प्रविष्टे की यदि बात करें तो आज आश्विन माह के 31 प्रविष्टे घटित हो रहे हैं। मुस्लिम माह रबी उल अव्वल की आज 7वीं तारीख है। आज की एकादशी को हम पाप पुषा एकादशी के नाम से जानते हैं। धन्यवाद।
Thank you, sir. Now it's time to start the prayer. So I would request you all to cover your heads, close your eyes, and join your hands for the prayer.
All classes, be ready for Gayatri Mantra. All classes, be ready for prayer.
There shall be showers of blessing. This is the promise of love. There shall be seasons refreshing.
अस्तो मा सद्गमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मा अमृतं गमय ॐ शान्ति 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 ॐ Be ready for national anthem.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल गंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मागे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
भारत माता की जय, भारत माता की जय, भारत माता की जय। वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम।
Now, Yashvi of class 8B will tell us about Indian mathematician Satyendra Nath Bose. Namaste Yashvi.
Namaste, respected Principal Sir, Vice Principal Ma'am, teachers, parents, and my fellow friends. Today, I, Yashvi Gautam of St. Vivekanand Millennium School from class 8B, will tell you about Satyendra Nath Bose. Satyendra Nath Bose was an Indian mathematician who did important work in statistical mechanics. Satyendra Nath was the eldest of M. Dhoni and Surendra Nath's 7 children, having 6 younger sisters. Satyendra Nath began his education at an elementary school in Calcutta before entering the Hindu school in 1907. It was here that his interest in mathematics and science began. As is so often the case, it was due to an outstanding mathematics teacher coupled with encouragement from the headmaster. He began his studies at Presidency College, Calcutta in 1909, where he had a brilliant academic record. He was awarded a BSc in 1913 and an MSc in 1915, proving himself to be by far the best student of mathematics. In the year he was awarded his master's degree, he was discovered what became known as bosons and went on to work with Albert Einstein to define one of 2 basic classes of subatomic particles. Much of the credit for discovering the boson or God particle was given to British physicist Peter Higgs, much to the chagrin of the Indian government and people. While studying at the University of Calcutta, Bose also served as a lecturer in the physics department. In 1909, he and Saha prepared the first English language book based on German and French translations of Albert Einstein's original and special and general relativity papers. The pair continued to present papers on theoretical physics and pure mathematics for several years following. In 1921, Bose joined the physics department at the University of Dhaka, which had then been recently formed, and went on to establish new departments, laboratories, and libraries in which he could teach advanced courses. Einstein had adopted Bose's idea and extended it to atoms, which led to the prediction of the existence of phenomena that became known as the Bose-Einstein condensate, a dense collection of bosons particles with integer spin that were named for Bose. After stay in Europe, Bose returned to the University of Dhaka in 1926. Although he did not have a Doctorate Einstein had recommended he be made a professor, and so Bose was made head of the physics department. After 25 years in Dhaka, Bose moved back in Calcutta in 1945 and continued to research and teach there until his death in 1947. The Indian government honored Bose in 1954 with the title Padma Vibhushan, the second highest civilian award in India. 5 years later, he was appointed as the National Professor, the highest honor in the country for a scholar. Bose remained in that position for 15 years. Thank you.
Thank you, Yashvi. Now, I would like to invite Prince of 9th A to aware us about World Food Day. Namaste, Prince.
Namaste, I am Prince Kumar from class 9th A. World Food Day is celebrated every year around the world on October 16. The day is celebrated to mark the anniversary of the founding of Food and Agricultural Organization of the United Nations in 1945. Many other organizations concerned with food security, such as the World Food Programme, International Fund for Agricultural Development, also celebrate the day. The day is marked not only to celebrate the amazing food that we get to eat every day, but to also spread awareness about those who struggle to get even one meal in a day. The day was first established in November 1979. The idea was suggested by former Hungarian Minister of Agriculture and Food, Dr. Pal Romani. Since then, the day has been celebrated by more than 150 countries around the world. Most of the themes for the day over the years have revolved around agriculture and investment in the sector to increase production. Investment in agriculture, along with education and health, can help in turning around the situation of hunger. However, despite knowing the fact that agriculture needs investment, the sector has been starving for both public and private investments. Thank you.
Thank you, Prince. Now, I would like to invite Gorika of class 9th A to share today's English word with us. Namaste, Gorika.
Namaste, respected Principal Sir, Vice Principal Ma'am, teachers, parents and my dear friends. I am Gorika of class 9th A from St. Vivekanand Millennium School, HMT Township, Pinjore. Today's word is confrontation. I repeat the word confrontation. Its meaning is an act of challenging face to face one to another. Its synonyms are combat, conflict, fight, battle, clash, contest. Its antonyms are support, calm, consensus, agreement, favor, harmonize. Its example sentence is India won the Asia Cup 2018 after a close confrontation with Bangladesh. I repeat the example sentence. India won the Asia Cup 2018 after a close confrontation with Bangladesh.
Thank you, Gorika. Now it's time to wish our birthday students. First, our belated birthday wishes are for Superb of 2nd B and Abhijot Singh of 3rd A. They had their birthday yesterday. Today is the birthday of Jashanpreet Singh of 8th A, Kiratpal Singh of 9th A, Dipanshi Verma of +1 Commerce, Sanya of +2 Commerce, Tania of +2 Non-Medical. Let's wish them by singing the birthday song. So I request you all to sing with us and bless the students.
सागर में एक लहर उठी तेरे नाम की, तुम्हें मुबारक खुशियाँ सालों साल की। सागर में एक लहर उठी तेरे नाम की, तुम्हें मुबारक खुशियाँ सालों साल की। तुमको है जीवन में बढ़ते ही जाना, तुमको है जीवन में बढ़ते ही जाना। तुम हो सुंदर बूंद उसके नाम की, तुम हो सुंदर बूंद उसके नाम की। हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे birthday to you.
Our principal sir, vice principal ma'am, teachers, and parents all are giving their blessings to you. Once again, I wish you a very happy birthday. For more information regarding the school, don't forget to like and subscribe our YouTube channel. That's it in today's assembly. Take care of yourself. Have a great day. Namaste.